Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. Today we're going to start polishing the roof on the 75 Rabbit project and see how far we get. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so today is polishing the Rabbit day. I've got a lot of things to do on the car before taking it out in public, and one of the things is working on the paint. So let me show you what we're working with here. Checking out the unrestored paint on the Volkswagen Rabbit. You can see here it's pretty rough. Doesn't sound very good. And you can see there where the clear coat stripes are in the paint. I wish they hadn't done that. Take a look at the paint here real quick. There's still some moisture on here. I went through and did a clay bar on here, and you can see all the stuff that came out of the paint in the clay bar. A lot of dirt, a lot of contaminants. Nothing fancy. I used some Griot's clay. You could use soapy water, like dish soap, if you wanted to use that instead of expensive Speed Shine. But now we're in a place where we've got this all clayed out, and it feels pretty good compared to how it did. One of the other things that I got to remove, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but like right here is like the clear coat racing stripes that somebody put all the way down the hood or on the roof. They also did them on the hood. I've been working on the hood. It's still not perfect, but it's getting a lot better. Probably got another couple of passes of polish to do here on the hood. Then I'll start working on the fenders and get those all polished up before I get ready to paint the doors. So let me get the buffer and I'll start working on this roof. Okay, I am not quite sure how easily I'll be able to show you this because we don't have really great equipment. But you can see here the color came back. I didn't get too close to the edge here because I wanted to come through here with a smaller pad so I can get the edge without burning through. But you can see the difference in the color from a spot that was clay barred and not clay barred along the edge here. And then I get into the paint and the color is way better. Now I still have a little bit of, right through here, I still have a little bit of racing stripe, but most of it's gone. I probably need to do another little polish through there. But if we compare this to the other side, you can see a huge difference in the areas that were polished. That's a good shot there. There you can see clay barred but not polished and polished. So I'm going to really enhance the look of this old car just by spending a little time with a buffer. So I'm going to do the other side, and I'll do a quick pass on this side with my orbital and a microfiber pad so we can see if we can get a little bit better results than just using the rotary. All right, so you can see here I wasn't able to entirely get that little dirt stripe or clear coat stripe out of there. There's still some stuff that could be worked on here, and I might work on it later. But overall, you can see a nice comparison here on the edge between where I polished, like up here, and where I didn't down here. This I'll have to go through with like a 3-inch or a 1-inch pad through here to get all that. But overall, the old Rabbit's looking pretty good. So I'll show you real quick what I used on this project so far. I have a rotary polisher. Rotaries are dangerous. You can you can really mess stuff up pretty quick with a rotary. And of course a wool pad, which is really, really aggressive, and you can really mess stuff up with that too. So if you're going to go this route, take your time. And yeah, yeah, super aggressive, super cutty. And then I have my Griots Orbital with a microfiber pad. And then on the rotary, I used my watermelon flavored body armor. Just kidding. Actually, this is Meguiar's 100. So the reason it's in a body armor bottle is because I squeezed the bottle of this and it shattered in my hand. So I drained that into whatever I had available, which was the body armor. But that is Meguiar's 100. And then for this one, I used the Meguiar's 105, which is good for hand and DA and rotary. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. I have a lot of stuff left to polish on this car. I'm still waiting for my ECU to come back. Long story on that, but that's for another episode. So more parts coming for the Rabbit. Still have a lot of things to do, but the hood and the roof are both polished and the car looks a lot better already. So we're going to keep moving forward and get this thing ready to take to some events this summer. Fingers crossed on getting all the ECU issues worked out. But that's all the time I have for today. Until next time, get out there and work on something.